Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. NZD USD prints mild gains above 0.6600 ahead of China Caixin PMI. http ntvforex.com News ID 047168. August 2, 23:21 GMT. By Anil Panchal. NZD USD attempts recovery from 0.6623 after stepping back from 7-month high on Friday. Bulls cheer US dollar weakness amid virus woes and uncertainty surrounding the American fiscal package. Overseas data could offer intermediate moves, but major attention will be on the virus headlines. American aid package news. NZD USD picks up the bids near 0.6640 amid the initial Asian session on Monday. The kiwi slipped from the highest since early January on Friday as the US dollar registered across-the-board gains. However, the fundamental weakness in the greenback got magnified with the weekend headlines, which in turn renewed the quoteвዓ buying. Among the negatives, major ones were from the US Senate discussion over the much-awaited coronavirus COVID-19 relief package. The American policymakers not only struggled to finalize the total sum of the aid plan but also failed to offer updates on the jobless claims benefit on its expiry. In the latest update, House Speaker Nancy Pelosi said US President Trump standing in way of enhanced unemployment benefits. On the other hand, US Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin mentioned during the ABC interview that we need to be careful about not piling on enormous debt for future generations. Other than the disappointments over the US fiscal package, COVID-19 woes at New Zealand's largest customer Australia also favours the risk-off mood. Recently, Victorian authorities declared a state of disaster and tightened lockdown measures for another 6 weeks. Conditions are also worrisome with the latest increase in pandemic numbers from China, another major trading partner of New Zealand. Amid all these catalysts, market sentiment remains heavy with the S&P 500 futures declining 0.15% to 3,258 by the press time. While identifying the market risk, analysts at the Australia and New Zealand banking group ANZ said, amid very soft US data, abundant liquidity, the lack of progress containing COVID-19 and the Fed's dovish tone, the USD rebound looks to be a temporary move and the rebound in equity prices points to a recovery in the NZD in coming days. The NZD faces the risks of easy policy too, with negative rates and foreign asset purchases still on the table, suggesting NZD USD will underperform NZD crosses. On the other hand, Bloomberg also suggested the NZD USD pair bulls remain cautious ahead of the key data. Their analysis depends upon the hedge fund data while eyeing the RBNZ's next move. Read hedge funds raise bets kiwi will fall as RBNZ decision looms. Bloomberg. Moving on, China's Caixin manufacturing PMI for July, expected 51.3 versus 51.2 prior, will be the key to watch ahead of the US PMIs from the market and the ISM. Although China's data might keep the bulls hopeful, the broad market direction will take clues from the qualitative risk catalysts. Technical analysis. The resistance turn support line stretched from June 10, currently around 0.6615, could restrict the pair's near-term downside and direct the bulls towards 0.7000 psychological magnet. Additional important levels. Overview. Today last price 0.6632. Today daily change 3 pips. Today daily change percent 0.05%. Today daily open 0.6629. Trends. Daily SMA 20 0.6602. Daily SMA 50 0.6486. Daily SMA 100 0.6241. Daily SMA 200 0.6357. Levels. Previous daily high 0.6716. Previous daily low 0.6623. Previous weekly high 0.6716. Previous weekly low 0.6619. Previous monthly high 0.6716. Previous monthly low 0.644. Daily Fibonacci 38.2%. 0.6659. Daily Fibonacci 61.8%. 0.6681. Daily Pivot Point S1. 0.6596. Daily Pivot Point S2. 0.6563. Daily Pivot Point S3. 0.6502. Daily Pivot Point R1. 0.6689. Daily Pivot Point R2. 0.675. Daily Pivot Point R3. 0.6783. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.